First of all, here add soak chana dal. This soak chana dal in water 5 hours. Then after add into the pan. Then after add broken green chili. Then after add small ginger. Then after add salt to taste, and this salt mixed well properly into the dal. After here I have taken mixer grinder machine pan, and then after add this dal properly, and this dal mixed well properly. Remember, don't add the water. Now this dal mixed well properly. Mixed as done and dal properly mixed. This is the mixture properly mixed, and now let's go next step. And now add the fresh bowl, and now add the mixed dal. And now add the these ingredients: 1 number chopped onion, 1 teaspoon whole cumin seeds, and now chopped coriander leaves. And now add all things into the dal, and now mix well properly. Mixed as done properly, and now let's go next step. And now add the refined oil. Add 1 tablespoon refined oil. This oil totally hot, and now this dal make this type of round shape and add into the hot oil, and this dal fry into the golden color. See the friends, this dal totally fry has done, and this type of fry. See the friends, this fry has done and totally crispy fry, and always try at your home. This is the snacks recipe, and this snacks recipe always serve with tea. If you like this my video, then please give subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you so much.